Alright, boys. I know this isn't the usual intro, but we had a big party. It was cameraman Adam's birthday. Brandon told me to stay over. It's because he wanted to film in the morning. So, here we are. It's almost noon. And there he is. Still passed out on the couch. We'll see if we can get his ass out of bed. Perfect. Yo, NameBran. Wake up, man. Wake up.
Ow!
Dude, are you alright? Like, what?
What's that, vodka?
Well, no, I don't.
Shh.
Oh, wait.
Oh
shit, you're right. It does smell like vodka. sorry, man. I thought it was just a glass of water on the counter, man.
Back in action. We're back in the action, boys. We got Ian, the cameraman, right here. Sorry if you look a little under the weather. We had somewhat of a party last night. Cameraman Adam.
I already kind of like introduced that.
Okay, cool. Anyway, boys, we're gonna get into this real fast because I don't know how much longer I have to live after last night.
Yeah, you were a beast last night. You were the life of that party. Like, people were pouring shots for Adam, and when he stopped taking them, you started doing them for him.
That sounds like me. Anyway, boys, getting on to the video. This has been super highly requested. You guys know we've done a lot of Wish videos in the past. I think the last one we did, we built a home theater in my house from free Wish items. And generally, that's what we do. We buy a lot of cheap items from Wish, yada, yada, yada. But you guys requested that we buy the most expensive items from Wish and review those and see what those look like. So anyway, a couple weeks ago I hit up Ian and I gave him my credit card. I said, buy the most expensive items that you think is dope off Wish, and I think I gave you a limit of like $2,000 or something like that. So you're not getting ridiculous.
Yeah, well, I think that was like the limit on your credit card anyway. I think.
No, it's a bigger limit. Jesus,
isn't it?
How much do you spend? I generally do the shopping for these videos, except I was on a trip at the time that I really felt like we should do this. So I hit up Ian and I'm like, yo, here's my credit card number. Buy everything that you see that's expensive on Wish, or like the doper things. I'll box them on the channel. Anyway, boys, today we're unboxing the most expensive items on Wish. Part 1.
Part 1?
Yeah, I didn't have anything else to say, so I just put part 1.
Oh.
So Ian, I'm stoked, buddy. This is kind of like a mystery box video for me. Grab me a package right now and we'll unbox it, show the boys. And honestly, boys, we're gonna give away probably every item in this video, except for that big box. I feel like that's gonna be hard to ship. Is that correct?
Yeah, the shipping was actually murder on that one.
Murder?
Yeah.
How much did you spend?
Like, you said to buy the best, most expensive stuff, so that's like...
Fair enough,
like what I did.
Boys, if you guys want to win anything in this video, give a thumbs up, comment down below. I'll tell you the last thing you need to do in order to win at the end. Alright, give me the first item.
This, I think, just was a really good one for your channel. Like, this is like classic NameBran stuff, right?
Ian.
Yeah.
It's the most expensive video, not the cheapest video.
Well, it was like 120 bucks.
Ian, what?
Yeah.
This was $120?
Well, with shipping, yeah.
Oh my god!
Well, what? It's...
Dude, I've owned one of these in the past. I got it from like Amazon or whatever. For like, you can get these for like $10.
What? No way, come on.
No, yes way, Ian.
Well, you said the most expensive.
Sorry, boys. We have an XXX Tentacion chain right here. Off Wish, boys. If you guys want to see what the most expensive... It's hollow!
Well, what? You can put stuff in there, right?
No, you can't put stuff in it. It doesn't open up. What does it look like? A f***ing lockbox? What does it look like? My grandma's gonna wear this shit? No.
Grandma could rock that.
I guess so, except she's dead, Ian.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Oh. Okay, what's this? That seems heavy. Here's the next item that Ian got. How much was this?
This one? Oh yeah, this is a nice one. I think it was... Well, it was like 3 and then there was shipping, so it was like $350-ish or something. Okay. So I guess like Canadian, that's like, what, $450?
Ian!
Well, what? You gave me your credit card and told me to buy expensive stuff.
What the f*** is this?
I don't get why you're being so negative about this. Like,
okay, so Ian bought Air Mags off of Wish.
Yeah, these are the ones that light up, right?
I'm not gonna lie, that's expensive for Wish, so I guess you did your job, but my god, and yes, do they light up? They should, the real ones do. The real ones are $10,000. Oh my god, okay. Yeah, that's kind of dope.
See, you like...
Okay. Next up for the most expensive item on Wish.
Oh, shit. Are these are women's, aren't they? Oh,
you bought the women's one?
It was mostly in Chinese, honestly.
Ian, oh my god. You had one job for this video. Okay, so, dope. No, hold on, kid, new tech. Guys, crazy. We got the craziest shoes off Wish, which were a lot of money, and I love them so much. All right, you know what? This is good. It's an expensive item on Wish. I dig it.
Okay, boys, so, Brandon's just gone to the washroom right now. But anyway, I'm just gonna level with you. Like, I know there's better stuff I could have gotten him for this video. Like, there definitely is, but he pranks me all the time. He pranks me, like, almost every time I see them. So I thought this was like the perfect chance to prank them back. Oh, you're back. All right, so here's the next item.
Holy crap, is that a camera or something?
No, speakers.
Speakers, okay, cool.
Yeah, so they were like, I'm just thinking they were like $420 US. Nice, right?
Are these really sick or something, or like what's
I think they're. Whoa! Honestly, you kind of told me I could have the speakers from the home theater video.
Yeah, I did say that.
And like
so you smashed
them. So
you bought these for yourself.
Well, I was kind of thinking like
fair.
Just don't.
Next up, boys, we got speakers from Wish, and these are the best speakers you could find. Would you say, or just the most fucking expensive? I feel like you're just fucking with me on this point. I don't know, I'm just kind of thinking about what I'm going to do with these things. I just thought like we'd have some toys to make this video dope, but that's fine because I did do that. I did say that. We got these speakers out. Apparently they're what, $500?
Yeah, something like that.
We're going to see if they kind of like add up to the price zone. So this is my computer right now, the volume. It's my newest video. Cool. So we just did that test. You guys know how loud my computer is. Now we're going to do this test.
That's
not bad.
Yeah, they're pretty loud. Like,
are they worth 500? Probably not, but that's not bad. Anyway, boys, sorry if this video is a little out of line right now. I just like usually have things thought up, but this is all a surprise to me, and I'm being surprised on some bullcrap. So. Sorry, I'm not even mad. I wouldn't be coming at you like this if I didn't think it was a joke, but I think this is a joke right now. Like, I think you're actually trying to screw with me, so now I'm like, okay, yeah, this is like garbage.
What's that garbage?
What are we down? Like $1,000 at least right now. Probably about $1,000.
Easily, yeah.
Oh god, okay, so you have one more package unless you have more in your car.
I wanted to get more, honestly, but it wouldn't let me.
Okay.
Like it actually rejected the last thing I tried to buy.
You maxed out my credit card. Okay, we'll go grab it. This one's intriguing. It says cool wheel on it. I can already see it.
Yeah, this one is actually kind of dope. Like it's huge, right? Yeah, it is.
Jeez. All right. So how much did this cost? And it's already open.
My dad opened it. He thought it was for him. So like,
what the hell is he ordering this big?
Some sort of tool set.
So how much was this?
So this one was about $950 plus shipping and shipping. Yeah, shipping was like another $150, I think.
I guess it's the most expensive. Holy crap.
It is, yeah.
This better be dope, buddy. Wait, that's Canadian or American?
No, that's Canadian.
Oh boy. All right. Well. Oh, what is this?
See,
it's got wheels. Holy crap, dude. Now I feel like it's my birthday. This is awesome.
It comes with a decal.
What?
Whoa. Holy hell.
Oh my god.
There's a lot.
Wait, this is one of the... This is what, oh my god, yeah, everyone has these in New York, dude. Okay, this is sick. The cool wheel. The cool wheel, they call it. This is one of the motorized skateboards.
Yeah, I knew
yes, it is.
Right?
Yeah, there we go. See, if you treated everything like this in this video, it'd be dope. Hey boys, appreciate y'all for watching. Not exactly what I expected, but we got this. We're gonna test it out right now. Ian, you ready?
Okay. Yeah, like I just like to say, like, I know this isn't really what you were expecting, but like, you know, I just couldn't resist the opportunity. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like to get my thing in.
For sure.
Like,
just that the boys might not like you after not really unboxing.
Well, I'm sorry if I pissed anyone off. It was, like, that's not what I wanted to do. You know what I mean?
Gotcha. All right, let's go, buddy.
Okay. All right. And
I fell.
Shit.
I fell.
You broke that door.
Stop. Sarah, watch the videos.
You really broke that.
Shoot.
Oh man, I was just gonna say, it looks like you really got the hang of that thing.
I did. No, actually, stop. Sarah, watch.